Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we love exploring the latest gadgets and helping you make the most out of your devices. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be showing you how to add USB storage to your Fire Stick. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to do this. Well, by adding USB storage to your Fire Stick, you can expand its storage capacity and enjoy more apps, games, and media without worrying about running out of space. Plus, it's super easy to do. Step 1. Get yourself a compatible USB storage device. You'll want to make sure it's formatted to FAT32 or exFAT for optimal compatibility with the Fire Stick. And remember, USB 3.0 devices will provide the best performance. Step 2. To set up your USB drive with your Fire Stick, you'll need an OTG cable. That's because the Amazon Fire Stick has no USB port. An OTG cable enables you to connect USB external storage to your Fire Stick by adding a USB-A interface. Connect the USB drive into the OTG cable. Plug the OTG cable into the Fire Stick. Use the Remain micro USB on the OTG for power. Step 3. Now, let's head over to the Fire Stick settings. Go to Settings on the home screen, then select Device and Developer Options. Make sure to enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources for this process. Step 4. Time to install an app that allows us to manage the USB storage. Open the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick and search for ES File Explorer. Once you find it, install it onto your Fire Stick. Step 5. Launch ES File Explorer and navigate to the Downloader option in the sidebar. Here, enter the following URL to download and install the USB SD Card Wizard app URL. Step 6. Once the USB SD Card Wizard app is installed, open it from the Apps section on your Fire Stick. It will guide you through the setup process and allow you to format and use your USB storage device. And voila! You've successfully added USB storage to your Fire Stick. Now you can enjoy more storage space for your favorite apps, games, and media. You can purchase an OTG cable on Amazon for about $5. USB drives come in different sizes and prices. Thanks for watching.